Hey, it's your favorite roofer, Todd, Sunbelt Roofs, here in sunny, gorgeous St. Tammany Parish. Checking out this home. Lady has solar panels, needs a new roof, has some leaking. Just wanted to give you a quick look. In order to do the roof, we have to get the solar panels basically uninstalled, put in a safe place. We do the roof. Then they'll have to get a solar provider to come back and reinstall them and power them back up, or commission them, as they may say. Clearly just have a dated roof and issues, which is common. So we'll see if she has a contract with a solar provider that sometimes when they have the initial contract, they'll include taking the panels off one time and reinstalling them for the purposes of getting a new roof. Sometimes that's not written into the contract. Sometimes people buy a house with existing solar panels. They have no idea who the solar provider was, in which case we have solar people that we work with that can provide us a quote for take off and reinstall as part of the whole roofing project. But we're going to go check out the roof. We'll keep you updated from sunny St. Tammany Parish, Louisiana. Your favorite roofer, Todd, with Sunbelt Roofs.